Hello viewer, how to fix flowing tab missing from your Instagram. If you want to solve your Instagram flowing tab not showing problem, please follow the step. Go to your profile icon, tap on 3 line, scroll down and find out help. Go to help, tap on report a problem, go to report problem, select include and continue. Now briefly explain what happened or what's not working on your Instagram account. In this box, write down, "Hi Instagram support team, my following tab missing from my Instagram. Please solve this as soon as possible." Then send your report to the Instagram support team. Then Instagram support team try to solve your problem. Then follow the next step. Open your Google Play Store, or if you are iPhone user, open your App Store. And from here, make sure your Instagram app is updated. If your Instagram app is not updated, please update your Instagram app because it fixes your flowing tab missing problem from Instagram.